Hi guys, it's Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. Okay, I'm trying to do this without my arm of video arm. I must have forgot it at home. And that's always challenging, but I also feel like I'm at a weird angle. There we go. So what do you do when you're on vacation? Well, you find that Wi-Fi on a cruise ship, though good, maybe-ish, is not strong enough for the power of the Facebook Lives. Seems like it was buffering and all kinds of problems. So now I'm on this amazing Stampin' Up! Cruise today we're in Skagway, which is gorgeous. I have to show you guys real quick. Let me see if I can give you the view. Okay, so this is what we woke up to on my balcony. Isn't it gorgeous? And look at the glacier water. The reason that it's jade color is there's actually all these minerals from the icebergs that have melted. But that's just the cycle of life they were describing. And then you can see it all the way out there. Isn't that magnificent? I love it so much. So if you're seeing this, I usually do a live on Facebook Mondays. It's our Happy Mondays, but not today because I'm in Alaska. Look at that view, people. I'm saying it's just fabulous. Oh, I just have to share. It's phenomenal. I'm in love. I could live in Alaska if it were like this all the time, but guess what? It's not. No, then they get really cold. And they get really weird nighttime, daytime weather thingies going on. I like my sleep and my weather. Thank you very much. Okay. But what I did do is something I've wanted to do for myself for a long time. But Stampin' Up! Is actually offering it as one of those amazing things that I was super excited about. So Stampin' Up! Has this project kit that I picked up. Now, I'm going to show it to you because I've wanted to learn calligraphy for a long time. It's item number 146857, and something you're going to want to do is add to that the Stampin' Write markers in the Coastal Cabana and Lovely Lipstick 147526. And this is me naked face. I did put a little lip gloss on, so you guys are going to have to excuse it. I've been hiking and exploring and touring all of Skagway, and it's gorgeous, but I'm a little rough for the ride. Okay. I'm gonna get over my fiddling. My friend Teresa's always reminding me, stop fiddling. I'm like, sorry, I try really hard not to fiddle. So one of the things that I have made a big investment is I own a ton of different like handwriting, hand lettering kits. They're a lot more expensive than the Stampin' Up! One. A lot more expensive. And they are sitting on shelves all around. Then there was a handwriting girl that I follow on Instagram, and she had her own kit, so I ordered it. And it's just basically a book that has half of what Stampin' Up! Sorry, people are being brought back to the cruise ship. Has half of what Stampin' Up! Has in their kit. And didn't make any cards. It did make some art sheet that you could copy. It was pretty. It's in a journal, but it was more than double what Stampin' Up.'s crafting kit was, which has the full tutorial on how to make hand lettering. Now the thing is, I have to be honest with you, I don't like to slow down. I like to run full speed, so when you slow me down, it's hard. But I think that's why everybody gets into those colorings, and that's why I craft, it's so I can focus my mind. I just had to share that with you. So I'm focusing my mind, and I brought my project kit with me here on the cruise ship. And you wonder why? Because if I were at home right now, I would have to get up 200 times to take care of my kids, do something for my husband, wash the dishes, answer the phone, go on the internet, take care of the dogs, take care of the goats, take care of somebody at the door, usually a neighbor or a friend coming by for a visit, and I won't stop to create. Like for me, I create for classes, I create for somebody's birthday, but for me, like my me time, I'm actually worth it me time. It's hard to do as a wife and mom. So when we go on this cruise, I actually have taken it with me to the last 3 times I've been in Big Bear with our family. But I knew this cruise, whenever I went to Big Bear, I went with my husband and kids. And here my husband has to go inside and he has to deal. Actually, he had to videotape some of this, not right now. You'll see the video of my practicing the hand lettering. So I picked up this Calligraphy Essentials project kit and I started. So you'll get to see the clips of me doing this with the time-lapsed video, but it's 13 pages of different strokes for different folks. And it's teaching you how to do the handwriting. My husband says, you know how to handwrite. What's wrong with that? My handwriting may not be very pretty and definitely not art-worthy. So I love that this is gonna give me so many skills. So there's 1 page, there's 2 pages right here, and these are just basic strokes. Then it gets into letters. This is 3 pages. Look at the view. This is 4. So we're getting into some fun penmanship. Now, I'm gonna be honest, am I perfect? No, I am not. But you know what? A lot of people who are pen writing or handwriting aren't either. So it's kind of just going with the flow. Guess what? My A-type personality, that's a little hard sometimes, but we're tough. We can be an adult about this-ish. Okay, so I have more pages to do and I have more time on my trip to do so. And when I go home, I get to actually, the great thing about this kit is it has a coordinating stamp set that does the thank you, the hello, the celebrate. Look at that. And so it encourages you to actually stamp those greetings in a lighter color and then use the markers to color over it, making it disappear. That's brilliant. Hello. And I can continue practicing my hand lettering. And that's what it's called, penmanship, calligraphy, hand lettering, whatever you want to name it. It's beautiful, and I wanted to do it for me. I know that seems weird to want to learn how to handwrite for yourself, but I did. So if it's weird, it's a little selfish, it's okay, because I can do that here on the trip. Are you like me? Do you have like 30 different, it feels like, really I have like 5 different hand lettering kits at home that aren't even open that you probably spent a lot of money on? I'm gonna offer a class, or everybody's gonna order this kit and come and we're gonna create and do some hand lettering. We're also gonna create the cards. So if you're interested, check my calendar coming up. It's gonna be in August, and I hope to see you joining us. And we will also be doing a live version, I believe, towards the end of August as well. I'll look at my schedule because I know I have a trip coming up in August as well. My life, it's a blessed life. It's a good life. So enjoy this little tutorial that I did with a quickie preview of how I did it. I did make my poor husband record it, poor guy. And I did kind of give him a hard time while doing it. But it gives me the opportunity to show you guys some of my penmanship, which I'm gonna be admitting, not the best, but I'm just starting out, right? There's some grace involved in this. I hope that you enjoy crafting with a view. Most of our crafting kits are all inclusive. This one's a 2-parter, but it gives me something to do that's creative and for me while I'm on this vacation. I hope that you'll do something for you because you deserve it. Come and create with us, connect with us, and craft something beautiful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.